This is a gift from the gods. What peculiar shape. Now to add the gift from Prometheus.
Wait! Wait. Aristotle, please, don't light those aflame, and don't stand so close.
By the gods, how do you know my name? Who are you?
Look, it doesn't matter. You light those on fire, and a very dangerous gas is released. I am here to save you.
Explain yourself. I have lit many of these cubes alight, and I have suffered no harm.
Look, it's called carbon monoxide. And in small doses, yeah, relatively harmless. But in this much, it's toxic. And by the time it's already done its job, it's already too late. Please, put the torch down. That was close. Carbon monoxide is one of the most dangerous gases in the world. And the scary part? It can reside in your own house. Check your heaters, your stoves, and make sure they are working safely. Check any propane-fueled tanks, and make sure they are free from damages. Lastly, install carbon monoxide monitors into your house to monitor lethal levels of carbon monoxide. Together, we can stop this gas from entering your home.